karamihan ng messaging really casts Duterte as a victim. And my narrative din na illusion of majority or trying to convince the public na ang pro-Duterte side is the broad consensus ng Filipino people, which is actually misleading kasi nakikita naman natin sa surveys, di ba, that karamihan pala ng Pinoy ay actually in favor na pala of the ICC trial. Pero may nakikita akong type of messaging that's kind of trying to barter in yung mga soft voters or people who might still be undecided. Yung mga tipong messaging na ako ay kakampeng pero in
Yeah.
favor ako na iuwi si president because blah 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 blah. Or yung mga argument na gumagamit ng whatever legalese to say na dapat sakop siya ng local courts without consideration for the fact that for more than 6 years, hindi gumagana yung justice system in particular for EJK victims.